We're at the kitchen. I'm going to open up the refrigerator access door. It's back here. It's just held in by two little nails. Hopefully you can see that. There's one here and one here. And there's the refrigerator. Brush the coils off the best you can. Get all this debris off of here. All right, we're going to clean out the flue baffle. That's down this tube. It's not the easiest thing to get out. You got to get some pliers and pull this up. Make sure that that's clean. And you're supposed to blow air down there or brush that out. Ah, see all that nasty stuff? That's what we want to get. Okay, we're going to run the poker down there again. Make sure that's clean. Get all the way to the bottom. Yeah, there it is. That's the orifice. That's the burn tube. That's the lighter, that little thing in there. This is the thermostat. This burner tube needs to be clean. It's supposed to be blown out with compressed air. Go ahead and cover that up again. The airflow. And that hooks carefully, right like that, so it doesn't fall in. Okay, I think we're clean. Hook up the fuel tank. And that was wrapped up for winter so no debris would get in there. The new connectors go on the outside and turn clockwise to tighten. That just needs to be hand tight. I'm going to open that. This is to clean the fridge. It is actually in pretty good shape because I left a little bowl of bleach in each compartment. That's bleach sitting in there, so that it actually looks pretty good. I'm just going to give it a quick clean out with bleach water. I'm going to turn the gas on, set the temperature to the coldest setting all the way to the right, press and hold for the pilot, and start pressing the igniter button. Ooh, I heard it. It's trying. There it goes. Now it lit, and you can see that that little indicator went to the green side. That's good. That means the gas is on. So it's set to the coldest setting for now. It'll take a day to get cold, then we'll turn it down to halfway.